Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. मैं हूं Ismail Qasim and I welcome you all to a very special episode here at The Current. Very excited today because आज हमें join किया है मदीहा इमाम ने, the very beautiful, the very lovely Madiha. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much for having me. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Very excited. Nilofer is set to release on the 28th of November. What are the expectations? कैसा feel कर रही हैं?
Expectations तो अच्छी हैं and more than anything I'm just happy that it's finally releasing. काफी time हो गया तो बस अच्छी expectations हैं and I think it's going to be a nice time to get out and be in the cinemas and watch your favorite couple and a nice love story. So I think it's going to be good. Yeah.
Definitely it's going to be good. Wrapped up का आपने जिक्र किया तो it wrapped up in 2020 if I'm not mistaken. What
Yes,
was
for me, लेकिन dubbing वगैरह हुई, there was patch work तो काफी time लग गया for the release to happen. So we were just keeping our fingers crossed कि हो जाए, जल्दी हो जाए.
experience कैसा था? डिले में क्या फीलिंग थी?
Delay में तो बस यही होता है कि sometimes you know in feature films and all of that, especially keeping in mind our country and our industry, तो बस यही पता होता है कि producer बेहतरीन ही करना चाह रहा है for the product. And the delay was, I patiently waited. I was like, it's okay. It's going to be something which is definitely going to turn out to be very fruitful for all of us. तो wait कर लेते हैं.
जब पहली दफा reach out किया गया for the role of Sarah, you're playing the character of Sarah Rana, right? So
Yeah.
what drew you to the character? क्या attract किया?
I think since I have done majority of my work on TV, तो ज़्यादा theatrics और dramatic हम लोग की कहानियाँ होती हैं. This was a very easy breezy, simple character to sort of get into as well. तो मुझे लगा कि it's going to be something which is going to be very different and refreshing for an artist like me as well who has not done something like this often भी किया मैंने बिल्कुल भी ऐसा कोई कैरेक्टर किया नहीं है तो उसका मौका फीचर फिल्म में ही मिलता है तो मैंने कहा बिल्कुल करना चाहिए.
And how does the character fit into the larger story of Nilofer? I mean, I'm sure कि you'll have to wait and watch the whole picture over there in the cinemas, but what can you tell us?
लेकिन मैं ऑफ कोर्स कहानी तो इतनी नहीं बता सकती लेकिन ये बता सकती हूँ कि ज़रूरी हिस्सा है कहानी का. जो मेन हमारा प्लॉट चल रहा है उसको अगर मद्देनजर रखें तो सारा का किरदार बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज अगर वो नहीं है तो फिर कहानी कैसे आगे बढ़ेगी उस तरह का किरदार है तो मैंने भी ये देखा और फिर करना चाहा.
Very
So
interesting.
it is of course not the main person that you will be looking for, but then definitely she will be the one who will taking you through the story. So that is there. हाँ तो उस तरह से integral तो है.
Absolutely, it's supposed to be integral. How was working with Mahira and Fawad? What was the experience like?
I necessarily did not get to share screen with Mahira at all. बिल्कुल
Interesting.
भी एक भी सीन नहीं हम लोगों का